What's up, guys? It's Mr. Fit to Flourish, and today I wanted to talk about some of the best resources that you need getting started trading, or if you're already trading and you just need some extra oomph to take your trading to the next level. So, number one, we want to know what's going on in the markets. We want to know what's going on in the markets. So, the first thing that you're going to need is you're going to need a news website. So, let me share my screen here. The best website and my favorite website to go to is always going to be Yahoo Finance. Okay, Yahoo Finance. Yahoo Finance. So Yahoo Finance will always have a very nice layout of what's going on in the markets, the latest and greatest news. And then you can also take a look at, on the right hand side here, different markets like the Europe markets, European markets, Asian markets, etc., etc. And it also lets you take a look at futures as well. And then if you want to find the latest news on your stock, you just type in the ticker symbol in the top search bar here, and then you can also look at the financials of your company, analysis, options like the options chain, and all that good stuff. So really great website is Yahoo Finance. Okay, Yahoo Finance. number two website that I like for stocks is going to be CNBC. CNBC has the same thing, so it shows you again the latest and greatest in terms of news, and sometimes it even has news earlier than Yahoo Finance. So another really good website. Number three, this one's probably one of the best, MarketWatch.com. So this website also has the latest and greatest news. Very nice layout here as well. And then one thing that I like to do when I use MarketWatch is they also have a economic calendar. So the U.S. economic calendar, which tells you what economic events are up and coming. So things like CPI, PPI, PCE, FOMC meetings, ADP employment, pending home sales. So it tells you when these events are going to take place. It tells you the times, and it also gives you the median forecast and the previous data points that have come in, and it gives you the dates of when these events take place. So I really like to use MarketWatch not only for news but also for its economic calendar and how it allows you to see that. Okay. Now, number three, a lot of people don't know this, but Twitter is actually goated for the latest and greatest news. Sometimes you'll go to MarketWatch, you'll go to CNBC. They're not going to have this news coming out because they have teams that these things have to go through. But on Twitter, people are always yapping. People are always yapping, like I'm yapping right now, okay? Because they want to get to this shmoney. They want to get to this shmoney. So if you just type in money sign and then a ticker symbol, it'll show you the latest and greatest on your stock, okay? So here, Tesla reveals new footage of robo-taxi ride-hailing app. So pretty cool. But yeah, anything new, you can always just click on latest, and it literally will show you 57 seconds ago, Tesla to 300 after elections. Oh man, so good stuff. So X, or Twitter, as formerly known as Twitter, is a really good, probably one of the best resources when it comes to finding information on stocks. Also, a lot of people put a lot of analysis on here, and again, you can also follow some of the chairmen or CEOs or even workers from different companies will a lot of the time post stuff. It's not necessarily insider information, but it is information that isn't really just published on these news websites that I mentioned before. Okay. Now, another website that I like to use that tells you and gives you up-to-date news on stocks is going to be Wall Street's on Parade. Okay, Wall Street's on Parade, really good stuff. Again, just an additional website to go through and kind of look for different news coming out. All right, and then this one a lot of people don't know about. It's called Capital Trades. Okay, Capital Trades. Now, Capital Trades is a website that shows you what politicians are picking up. So Rick Scott, Republican, Senator of Florida, or in the Senate in Florida, Senator of Florida, whatever. But it shows you their bet sizes. So it shows you their port sizes on different trades. So here it shows you what trade was issued, et cetera, et cetera. Okay, so let me pull this up here. So it shows you like their trade sizes. It shows you what they picked up, and you can organize it by political party. You can find a politician. So a lot of people like to follow Fancy Nancy Pelosi. She's always putting on these massive trades. So you can take a look. Hey, what is Nancy picking up? So picked up Microsoft. She's actually selling Microsoft here. It's showing, and this was July. She sold 1 to 5 million. How is she selling 5 million worth? I don't know, because her salary is less than mine. Her salary is like 150K. I don't know. 5 million? I don't know. But it does show you the size of their trades, and it allows you to kind of follow, hey, where is this crooked money going? Because that's where the actual money is going. Okay. And then another website for news would be Bloomberg. So Bloomberg Markets, another really good website for finding news on the market. Okay. And then last but not least, I like to use this website called MaximumPain.com. I trade options. This will tell you where market makers want the options to land at the end of the week. Okay. This is taking forever to load, so maybe I will just show this tab instead. Anyways, it kind of looks something like this. It'll look something like this, but it'll show you, hey, what is the stock price, the current stock price of whatever stock you type in? What is the max pain? And the max pain is where market makers want the stock to land. And that's typically where the stock will land on Friday. I'm telling you, it's where the stock will land on Friday, because that is going to allow market makers or people who write these option contracts, sell these option contracts. That's where they want it to be, so they can make the most money from their puts and their calls. So if there's a whole bunch of puts over here, a whole bunch of calls over here, they're going to make sure that the stock price lands in the middle. Okay, and this kind of shows you what is the highest open interest for calls, the highest open interest for puts, and then typically the max pain is going to be where the stock is going to land, like right in the middle, just so that they can make the most bang for their buck. Okay, so hopefully that makes sense. And hopefully these websites help you out in the future when it comes to finding news. Twitter is going to be the best, I'm telling you right now. Maximum Pain, you probably didn't know about that. Capital Trades, you can follow politicians on that website. And then all the other websites are just like news websites. Twitter is going to be goated. I'm telling you right now, Twitter's goated. Do the money sign and then your ticker symbol. You're in there like swimwear. So hopefully this helped you guys out there. If you liked it, like, share, subscribe, all that YouTube stuff. I'm out. Good morning, welcome to the Fit to Flourish podcast. Let's talk wellness, finance, and growth.